I introduced our steel built sanding machine for metal, for steel plates. Here is a control panel. It's by PLC. Yeah, control here. We can change to English. And here is the electric parts. This is the inverter. This is PLC. This is PLC. This is the inverter. Electric parts. Air connect power. Okay, let's go inside. This side is a sanding belt, first sanding belt. And here is a brush sanding. It can run total six brush. It's a sanding paper. This is the second sanding belt. This is the second sanding belt. This is a feeding table. This is two types. This type is magnetic. Another side type is a vacuum table. This side is vacuum. Let me show you where vacuum. Here is vacuum. Half side vacuum, half side magnetic. Here is a vacuum motor. Overstation. One second.